my shoes off. Too tall. Well, those are really good shoes. Okay.
I'm wearing tall shoes too, you know. Now you look so short, Kathy.
Really?
Yeah, you do. Okay.
Good morning and welcome to Ma'am Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna. And today we're bringing you 9 low maintenance pets. Where'd you get this from?
I am a researcher, Anna,
Oh, okay.
and I research. And I've probably had most of these pets.
Anyway, number 1 is betta fish.
You know what that is?
Yes, I do, but I find it so funny because I've never seen anyone have a betta fish more than
Beta.
more than maybe a week or 2.
Why?
They die.
No. The thing I feel bad about those fish is they live in their own little container. First of all, let me just...
All alone.
I looked this up because I was thinking, you know, especially, you know, as you get older and, you know, you want like, if you are, you know, in your house a lot like we've been lately, you want some kind of companionship or something to take care of.
Oh yeah, you want a fish.
Hey, just don't diss the fish.
It doesn't do anything. You just have
That's
to
what
look at
people
it.
like. I got an aquarium during this thing, and I love it because I didn't get a bait. I got a bigger
Because
one.
3 dogs wasn't enough.
It's relaxing. Fish tanks are relaxing. So the beta, I just feel bad for it because it's by itself.
So my uncle had a fish tank and he got a beta. We had never seen a beta before. Anyway, so he got it home. He put it in the fish tank. One day it was gone.
Okay, I've not had that experience. He didn't take care of it properly.
He put it in a fish tank.
Okay, another one. This is kind of funny because it's a dog, but they say a pug is a very good pet because it's super low maintenance. It doesn't need maybe go out for a little walk not every 30 minutes, for 30 minutes, play some fetch, but they basically like to kind of just be indoors. They don't take a lot of grooming. So a pug is a good pet.
They're always sick. I know people with pugs.
You are so negative today.
No, they do. Because
Fish die, the
they're
dog
bred,
is sick.
No, because they're bred so heavily, they have a lot of respiratory
all this
issues.
about pugs?
Because I've had a lot of friends with pugs. I think they're adorable, but I wouldn't have a pug.
Well, not after what you just said you wouldn't.
I like mutts. I like to go to the pound and get mutts.
And when would you do that last time? The last time you did that?
40 years ago.
And she loves to do it though.
Well, all the dogs I've had, I've gotten from the pound. I've had 3 dogs.
Good
I've had
job. Good job, Anna.
Mm-hmm. Rabbits.
Rabbits are awfully cute.
I'm not going to say a word.
They are, okay, I've had rabbits. The only thing that's hard, and they're adorable and they're sweet, they're really dirty. We had a big hutch and it had a slide out like metal cleaner thing. No, outside.
Oh, okay.
And we lined it with the newspaper and stuff. It really gets pretty gross. We also gave them an area where they could go out of their hutch and play around the tree.
Free-range rabbits.
Well, it turns out that they went under the concrete patio.
Oh my God.
And they ate the roots of this gorgeous tree, and the tree died. And they coincidentally died as well in their
The tree cost much more than the rabbit.
I know. They were really cute though. And they had babies and they were so cute.
Turtles. Now, my daughter has a turtle.
Right now?
Yes.
What?
Actually, one turtle, and they got it when it was like this big, and now this thing is about this big.
Where does it live in?
They used to have a box, and they made her a home, which was lovely. But she's really large for the home.
Oh, wait,
now.
what kind of turtle is it? Because there's a lot of different turtles. So is it a tortoise?
It's a land turtle.
So it's a tortoise.
Well, now they have this planter in their backyard, and one day Andrea said, just put it in the planter. And they did, and she loves it. And the kids love it because they can see her, and she hides under the flowers. It's really
cute. Do they bring her in to hibernate and stuff?
No.
Well, my sister has had a tortoise for like 30 years now, because they live forever. And she's
you can't. I'm not going to say a word. I'm not going to say a word.
Zip it. Mm-hmm. But she has the tortoise goes into hibernation. It's got a place where it goes into hibernation. She's got lights and she's got all sorts of stuff. And then she has to take it out of hibernation. Yeah, this is her. It's a whole big deal. Whole big deal.
my daughter's turtle has survived just fine. Nobody ever hibernates for her. Guinea pigs.
They're cute.
They're
We've
fuzzy
had those
rats.
too. We had guinea pigs.
Yeah, we've had guinea pigs.
Fuzzy rats. We had them, and
Fuzzy rats.
they're named Tom and Nicole. This was before they got divorced. Hamsters. We've had those too. But hamsters bite. Hamsters are not friendly. So I don't know. They say they're low maintenance, which yeah, they're in a thing and they spin on their wheel and all that, but they bite. So hamsters are still, they're cute. They're not really playful. So I don't know. I mean, they're fun if you just want to have something to watch.
They're just rodents.
Here we go.
And the next one's rats. Imagine that.
Rats are super intelligent. People get freaked out by their tail. Everybody that doesn't like a rat, it's like, oh, I can't deal with the tail. I can't do it. And some of them get really big, by the way. Like we had some small ones. And the sad thing is,
and can I just say, because I went on a trip, and when I came home, my husband had bought the kids a rat, and they chose the rat. Well, this rat was a male rat. And you know how we could tell it was a male rat?
Oh, yes.
It used to drag its parts as it walked.
Ew, that's so
It was
gross.
gross
It is
beyond
gross.
belief.
Well, you get a female. But the other thing is they only live a couple years.
Yeah.
And they
Oh,
get,
really?
yes.
I would
and-
think they could live a long time.
No, and they die because they get these horrible tumors everywhere.
Oh my God!
No,
I
it
didn't
really
know
is.
that.
It really is awful. Yeah. So
Ooh.
that's the part of rats. And I did have one, very sweet. Her name was Michelle. We loved her.
You know,
May she rest in peace.
when I was in college, you know, I have a degree in biology, and we used to do all these experiments or labs with rats.
Ugh.
And I wouldn't touch the rat. I wouldn't go near the rat. But one time, I had to do something. I was told I had to do something. So while everybody held the rat, I inserted the thermometer, which I held with the very tip, put it in kind of like,
Oh,
and then I go, okay, somebody
that's
take
a
it,
horrible
take it.
story.
I know, it's horrible.
Ah.
Oh, thank God. I don't think they do that anymore. Thank God.
Okay, chinchillas. They're
Cutest,
so cute.
cutest animal in the world.
But they're not real friendly to play with. They'd
No.
rather just be left alone. So then, if you want an animal you can just watch, kind of like
But when you
fish.
touch it, it's like touching a cloud.
But will
It's
they
the
let
most-
you?
I know my friend had one. She never
Is
complained.
it friendly? I think anything you get like this if you get them when they're really, really young, and you are always kind of playing with them and doing stuff, I think they just adapt to that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm guessing. Last but not least, British Shorthair Cat. I'm horribly allergic.
Is that the cat without hair?
No,
Oh,
no, that's
okay.
the naked cat, hairless cat. But yeah, I can't be around cats. I can't be around people that have cats. But cats, just to me, I'm not a cat person, probably because
The
of that.
cats are easy.
But they're not friendly. They don't come sit on your lap. You can't go take them for a walk or to
They
the
purr.
the
Don't they
dog
just,
park.
Don't they lie on the bed and purr
And
around
then
you?
they claw things. Yeah, no.
So I had a cat.
And they go to the bathroom in the house, and you got to clean that.
I had a cat, and unbeknownst to me, when it was born, it was the kitten of one of my friend's cats. Instead of putting a litter box, they put a blanket next to the kittens. And so this cat learned, and I did not know this, that anything soft was its bathroom.
Oh,
It was a nightmare. Nightmare.
that's gross.
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. Well, I can't say much about the cats. Sorry, cat lovers. I understand.
I think they're beautiful. I think cats
well, they're
are
pretty,
beautiful
and I
animals.
love to watch kittens. They're adorable.
Yes, and
But I can't have
even
one.
big cats. I mean, I think they have this regal look about them. I think they're beautiful.
But they're
Oops,
just,
sorry, hit the
but they
microphone.
just, yeah, I don't know, not my thing. Anyway,
That's it. 9 beautiful, low maintenance pets that I wouldn't get any of.
I would.
But good luck to you.
Hey, let us know what pets you have. Do you have any of these? Do you have any others? Tell us about them. Send pictures.
A bird is easy. You just have to clean
Oh, they're
every
so
day.
messy. No,
Yeah,
they're so
but
messy.
they're easy. And they're cute. I love listening to them sing. Yeah.
Or not
Thank
stop.
you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click those share and like buttons.
And our YouTube channel, Mam Talks, please share that and like that and comment that. And our website, www.mamtalks.com. We have 2 new articles on that.
Mm-hmm.
So please check those out. Remember to keep embracing getting older with us. Bye.
Bye.